Hey everybody, today we're going to do this product review of this thing that I found at Walmart today. Look at it, check it out, check it out, check it out. Look at that. Reusable hand warmer. Now I've had one of these a long time ago, probably 35 years ago. And if it's what I'm thinking it is. And I was at the store, I was reading it, and it provides up to 2 hours of heat, insulate for best results, heats up to 130 degrees Fahrenheit. That's 54 degrees Celsius for you people over the pond. In just 15 seconds. Sodium acetate in water solution begins to warm by bending the metal activation disc in the hand warmer. When heat runs out, warmer can be rejuvenated with boiling water. Environmentally friendly and can be reused many times. Activation and rejuvenation instruction included. Alright, this product can expose you to chemicals including diethyl ethyl DHP, which are known to the state of California. Everything in California, do not microwave. Well, anyways, let's check it out. Let's check it out. And it looks different. 2-year limited warranty. Yeah, if you boil it. Yeah, the warranty's over. Okay. Alright, what we got there? Yeah, it's pretty much the same thing. Bend metal disc until clicks. Liquid crystallizes. Massage hand warmer until completely crystallized. Insulate hand warmer for long-lasting heat. Now check it out. Can you see the little disc in there? Yeah, you can. So you grab that, from what I remember doing this, is you grab it in between the things and you snap it back and forth a couple of times and it'll start pouring out like it'll start turning white. Let me bring the camera closer so you can see a little bit better. Alright, so you can see this. Let's grab it with... it's kind of thick. You can't grab it very well, but let's... There it goes. It already went. You can see it like crystallizing. And they say massage it. Now that's getting pretty warm. Now that's getting pretty warm. I don't know if I can keep going with that. That is pretty darn warm. Yeah, that works pretty well. Let me see if I can get that to... That doesn't click very well. I don't feel it click. Alright. That's pretty cool. Yeah, that's warm, I'll say. Alright everybody, here we are 1 hour later. It doesn't have barely any heat. I can feel it. But I'm sure if you had it in your pocket, it would be more insulated, it would last longer. But it's a little bit stiff. You know, it's not that hard. So let's take it to the kitchen and boil it and see if it turns back to a liquid. Alright, here we go. We got some boiling water. And I'm going to set this in with this instead of getting my fingers splashed. See, I don't know how long it's going to take to turn that back to a liquid, but we're going to give it a shot. I'm going to turn this heat down just a little bit. Alright. It looks pretty much done now. You can see through it and it looks pretty liquidy. I don't think it's solid anymore. But you probably don't want to heat it too much. I don't know what that stuff is. I don't know what that stuff is in there, but let's turn the heat off and take it out and let it cool off and see what we got. Alright, well there you go. For $1.74, that's not bad. And it's liquid. It's fine now, but I thought that little metal thing broke. So I'm sure if I would have grabbed it here and started snapping it back and forth, that would have been better. Because I remember years ago when I bought them ones, it was clear, it wasn't as yellow. You can snap that thing back and forth really quick, probably like 15 times. This one it goes like once or twice and then it starts changing. But the ones I had were like really hard. They were more solid when it was activated. But you know, I think it's okay. You know, yeah, like I said, $1.74. You pick up a few of these, and you just keep them in your pockets, or if you're working outside for something real quick, or if you're, you know, in I don't know, or whatever you want to use it for. So there you go. You can watch this, and I had one person comment one time on one of my videos, and you know who you are, Amanda Hug and Kiss. I know who you are. And what you said in your comments was Captain Everything is very handsome. Too bad he's married. I got one thing to say to you, Amanda Hug and Kiss. Threesome!